In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to remove a password from a LibreOffice file. Whether you're looking to streamline access to your documents or simply prefer not having to enter a password every time, this guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't used LibreOffice before, it's a free and open source office suite, which is a great alternative to some of the more well-known paid software out there. You'll find a variety of applications within LibreOffice, including Writer, Calc, and Impress, which are similar to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint respectively. Once you have LibreOffice open, you'll want to navigate to the Recent Documents section, which is usually one of the first things you see on the main screen. Here, you'll find a list of documents you've recently worked on. Look for the protected file from which you want to remove the password. It's important to remember that this list will only show files you've opened recently, so if your file isn't there, you might need to locate it manually through the Open File option. Click on the protected file to open it. At this point, LibreOffice will prompt you to enter the password. Type in the password carefully and click OK. This step is crucial because you need to access the file in order to remove the password protection. Now that you have the file open, the next thing you need to do is save it again without the password. To do this, go to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen and select Save As. This will open a dialog box where you can choose different save options. In the Save As dialog box, you'll notice an option for the Save with Password. That's usually checked when a file is password protected. Uncheck this option to remove the password. Make sure all other options are set to your preference, such as the file format and location where you want to save the file. After you've unchecked the password option, click Save. If a confirmation message pops up asking if you're sure you want to save without a password, go ahead and confirm. Your file should now be saved without any password protection. That's it. You've successfully removed the password from your LibreOffice file. This means the next time you or anyone else opens the document, you won't be prompted for a password. It's a simple process, but it can significantly improve your workflow if you frequently need to access certain files. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on using LibreOffice and other software tools. Thanks for watching and have a great day.